Thank you for joining us for this informative webinar. I appreciate your time. Today we are going to discuss how to create a marketing machine for your company. Many of us have heard the term vicious cycle as it relates to economics or personal behavior. A vicious cycle is an interconnected series of events that repeat themselves in a continuously defeating manner. There is a positive counterpoint to the vicious cycle, however, known as a virtuous cycle. It self-perpetuates in the direction of its momentum until something external interrupts the flow. The goal is to create a virtuous marketing cycle for your company that continually produces better quality leads and culminates in more closed sales. For marketing to become a virtuous cycle, set a series of goals for the following: awareness, web presence, outreach, communication, customer experience, customer retention. Awareness is a critical piece of the marketing puzzle for obvious reasons. If a prospect is unaware of your company, you've lost. How can you get on their radar and into mindshare? It begins with a strategic messaging plan to clearly define what your company is and how it helps prospects. How do the products and services solve a pain point? Once this is set, you can achieve awareness with trade advertising such as paid Google, Bing, and Yahoo search engine ads, banner ads on industry websites, search-optimized press releases, and a vibrant social media campaign. Awareness sets the basis for future marketing success, and it keeps your company top of mind into the future when a prospect has a specific need for what you have to offer. Steps toward building awareness. Develop a customer persona. Types of prospects your company is a good fit for. Consider a target geography. Build a strategic plan to define your messaging, competition, assets, tactics, and budget. Have a professional website, trade ads, email blasts, public relations, online banner advertising, social media, pay-per-click campaign, interpersonal sales efforts, and trade shows. Your web presence. Your website is now your showroom, education forum, and effectively your #1 salesperson. It needs to clearly communicate the company's mission and product or service mix. The architecture and design of the site need to reflect professionalism and offer a great user experience. It's worth it to invest money in professional website design. The website should include professionally written, search engine optimized content to gain page 1 rankings on major search engines for the products and services you most want to sell. This ties to awareness in the cycle because prospects can search for your products and services with or without knowledge of your company. Steps toward building your web presence. Define key phrases based on personas created in the awareness phase. Consider the market footprint and messaging content from the awareness phase. Professionally search optimize your website. Continually add content. Build inbound links. Regularly create useful search optimized content such as blogs, case studies, white papers, and news. Review analytics and tweak SEO as necessary. Outreach. Direct contact via email, webinars, direct mail, or phone calls offers the opportunity to personalize the company for the prospect. It's also an excellent way to announce special sales or new products in real time. Brand awareness and web presence come into play with outreach through top-of-mind awareness of your company's existence and promoting landing pages for the products and services your prospects desire. The creation of a target company persona in the early strategic phase of marketing planning can help eliminate wasted motion in the sales effort. All outreach should be documented in a central customer relationship management or CRM system. Use continuous updates to maximize outreach efforts. Steps toward building outreach. Ensure that sales and marketing messaging efforts are in sync. Keep all data and sales cycle flow in a CRM. Use a mix of promotional tactics that build awareness such as trade ads, billboards, mobile billboards, public relations, online banner advertising, social media, pay-per-click, interpersonal sales efforts, trade shows, and TV and radio commercials. Communication. There needs to be ongoing continuous communication with prospects and customers alike. Each should fit the overall branding of the company, but be personalized by the audience. These efforts stretch across all forms of communication, including print, web, and social media. A well-rounded approach of helpful, educational, fun, and sales messages elevate engagement and customer loyalty. To make the cycle even more virtuous, measure marketing efforts through a combination of customer surveys, training frontline and salespeople to ask, How did you hear about us? And of course, using web analytics. Data-driven marketing decision-making helps you refine the budget year over year for maximized effectiveness. Steps toward building communications. Consistently focus on messaging developed in the strategic plan. Train your team in proper phone and video conferencing techniques. Messaging points and upsell opportunities. Approach clients with a desire to serve them, not sell them. Review web analytics monthly to gauge efforts. Survey them to ensure you are addressing their pain points. Customer experience. Once a prospect is converted into a customer, your team should be trained to follow a consistent onboarding process to make the customer feel important and well served. People expect a good customer service experience, and if they don't get it, you could be ravaged by negative online reviews. Customer experience closely ties to awareness, web presence, outreach, and communication. All are vital to keeping customers happy. Steps toward building customer experience. Create a new customer onboarding system that is consistently measured. Develop a protocol for customer service follow-up. Always give customers a consistent, high-quality experience. Survey customers to maintain high levels of satisfaction. Customer retention. Building trust for your company is critical because many prospects investigate your company anonymously. They draw conclusions from how good your website looks, how well it is written, and how clearly defined your products and services are different from the competition. The goal should be to make your customers so happy that they will help you with written or video case studies or testimonials based on their successes, which can be published on your website and social media. Third-party accolades represent the best form of promotion possible. Strong customer retention employs all the other aspects of the virtuous cycle. Leveraging positive customer comments leads to enhanced awareness, which continues to build sales and marketing wins for your company. Steps toward building customer retention. Measure your team's efforts to see if they are touching on all the points of each segment of the virtuous marketing cycle. Make necessary adjustments to your approach and marketing message as the market preferences or business climate changes. Develop soft skills. Invest in learning more about each of your customers to deepen the relationship. Request testimonials and success stories from customers to use for your own marketing purposes. Emotionally invested customers will refer you, which helps self-perpetuate marketing. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this presentation. All these virtuous cycle steps working in harmony are the fuel for your marketing machine. Want help building and managing a marketing machine for your company? Contact our team of marketing experts at Gotham. We look forward to discussing the possibilities.